So now we got it. So now that we solved the problems with technology, let's continue talking about technology like we will do in the next of the session. Throughout the whole days of this Congress, we have been talking a lot about the digitization, digital dentistry, digital implant dentistry, for some people even a digital revolution, which seems to be a very common theme. I came here, on the way I stopped in 3 major international congresses. Everywhere was the same discussion about a digital revolution. Now, allow me to say that I have been hearing from this digital revolution ever since I got my first computer, which you can see in the screen, and that was about 25 years ago. At that time, this computer was only 1 kilobyte memory invented by this English gentleman, and it could promise to revolutionize everything. So I've heard about revolutions quite frequently. We even wrote a book sometime about the digital dental clinic in 2004. If you see it anywhere, don't buy it. It's too late now. It'll be embarrassing to see how technology has changed. So reflecting a little bit about revolutions of digital technology, let me share with you one of my early experiences with a revolution of digitization. As a teenager, I would save money, go to the record store, browse in the shelves, buy an LP, and take it home to listen to it. That was how I enjoyed music. Then at some point, someone came and promised to make a digital revolution by making the music digital. And then I was among the first who jumped on the wagon, and I bought a CD player, I put aside all my LPs, and I was doing exactly the same thing. I was going to the record store, I was browsing in the shelves, I was picking up the CD, taking it home to play it.